Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform Triple Elastico trickshot. Triple Elastico is 5-star rating trick. If you want to perform it, make sure that your player also has 5-star dribbling. Next, you have to perform this movement with your right analog. If you are running upwards, tilt analog downwards, right and quickly left. Do it in opposite direction if you are running downwards. If you are running to the right side, tilt analog left, downwards, upwards. If you are running to the left side, tilt the analog right, upwards, downwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.